Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning! Happy second day of my day off. So ayan mga mamshi, good morning. Good morning honey.
Good morning, baby.
Ayan si Darin. So ngayon po, alam po ninyo ngayon yung ano namin kung saan kami pupunta. Pupunta kami sa Edmonton, Stampede tulad sa Calgary. Inano ako, pinasyal ako ni Darin para makita ko po ngayon. So ngayon, for the first time ko pong sumakay ng train. Dito po kami sa train station. Hindi namin dinala yung sasakyan namin kasi mahal ang parking nila. Yung parking nila, it costs for $20. At hindi rin kami makapagrampa pag may sasakyan kami. So malapit lang naman din ito sa kung saan kami nakatira. Ito po yung ano ng train dito. So, malapit lang ito kaya nilakad lang namin po siya
I have
kasi
to go buy tickets.
okay. Hindi pa namin alam kung paano pagsakay nito. Pati rin si Darin, titingin kami kung bibili kami ng ticket ng sa train. Kaya babalik na naman kami doon sa opisina. Ayan mga mamsi, mamaya ipakita ko po sa inyo kung ano ang kaganapan doon sa Stampede ng Edmonton. Ayun. Mga inosente, kaya hindi alam kung nasaan yung ticket. Bye. Say hi for everyone.
Hello, everybody.
Mainit. Kaya ayan, naka-sombrero kami kasi sobrang init po ngayon. Okay guys, and see you soon. Kita-kita na lang tayo mamaya kung anong kaganapan ngayon kasi opening nila ngayon. So ayan, thank you, bye! Paparating na, so papasok na po kami ngayon. Ayan, papasok na si Darren.
This is a northbound Capital Line.
She's
Coliseum Station.
I'll get patties on the Indian.
Lalabs dahil nga opening ngayon ng Stampede ng Edmonton. Maraming mga bata ngayon ang andito at saka syempre kasama na din kami ayun mga naglalakad masyadong maraming at saka ano po ba ninyo free kasi ngayon yung breakfast so ngayon 9 o'clock pa lang po dito ng umaga ayan marami nang excited kaya kailangan namin talaga mismo mag-walking kasi hindi naman masyadong malayo. Kunti lang naman din. Kailangan namin mag-walk papunta doon sa entrance ng Stampede ng Edmonton. Dahil nga maraming mga iba't ibang mga mapagkakaabalahan doon sa loob. Tulad ng mga Ferris wheel, ayan. Ayan si Ate, kasama yung anak niya. Siyang maraming tao talaga ngayon. Kasi opening ka lang po siya. Mga mamsi, yung magandang sasakyan dito na parang kay Vice Ganda. Yan. At sa araw ngayon, mga mamsi, free po ngayon yung mga pagkain. Tingnan po ninyo mga bata dahil nga mga free ngayon. Honey, can you bring for me? Yan, mga free to. So, ayan, kumakain kami ngayon ng free. Free ng ice drop. This is ice drop. We can call ice drop. Sobrang init. Ang daming tao na. Kaya kayo dyan, punta na po kayo dito. Malapit lamang po ito sa amin for 5 minutes. Nandito na po kami dito. Ayan, papasok na po kami. Pasok na. Ayun yung gate. Ano yung mga mamsi, yung gate. Ang dami na talagang taong nakapila para pumunta lang sa loob. Yan po. Yung mga tao, sobrang kadami mga mamsi. Maraming rides kasi sa loob kaya masyadong maraming bata ngayon.
How are you? Oh, so far so good.
You guys are here for the breakfast?
We are.
Yeah, so if you just want to head along these bushes.
That's the one there. What's happening? Okay?
Remember we did the
Much people. Oh, down this here.
Nick. Are you sitting right back there? Where?
Ayan, dito kami mga guys. Free po yung breakfast. Free. Ayan. Wow. Ang dami mga free dito. Sobrang dami ng tao po dito mga guys. That is cotton candy.
Eggs are there. Enjoy, guys. Councilor Morgan, Councilor Reed Clark, Councilor Karen Tang, Councilor Tu Parmar, a number of them are in the audience. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Dami ng tao. Ayan si Batman, no? Ayan, si Batman.
I mean, if you're here, you already know what K-Days is all about. You are excited about it. You know that you've got great entertainment. You're going to have great music. You're going to have amazing food.
Ayun,
Who
may
else
life.
is excited about the ice cream like I am right now? Any other? Yeah, thank you. Yes, you know about the ice cream. Are you going to try the deal? Give it a try. I just want to take a moment and thank Premier Smith for restarting this pancake breakfast. Let's give the Premier, the ministers, and everyone a big round of applause for her support for this. This is a great way to kick off. And let's make sure over the next 10 days you come back. Don't just come once, come many days. Come enjoy the food, come enjoy the rides, come enjoy the music, come enjoy the company of other Edmontonians, because at the end of the day, that's what we're all about in the summer here. There is so much going on. So I hope you enjoy it. The mic's trying to cut me off because they're like, get off the stage. It's time to hear the premiere. So you enjoy your time. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy K-Days, and let's celebrate together, everyone. Thank you very much.
To celebrate our 80th anniversary, we've connected with some of our member owners to let
Yan,
them
mag-umpisa
experience
pa lang.
working in the store for a day.